Welcome to Spring LIB.
So in order to understand the answer to this question, we have to understand what pork barrel spending is. Pork barrel spending is when there is legislation that mainly benefits a single district. So what that could mean is, suppose you live in New York City and your senator is from New York City and is looking to, or your representative, is from New York City and is trying to pass legislation. He has an incentive to benefit anything that helps New York City so that he could get voted again, he or she could get voted again. So that's what pork barrel spending is. Now, you see in pork barrel spending, only a small population is really benefited, only the people in New York City. So how can we, or how do politicians pass pork barrel spending legislation, even though it benefits a small group? It's something called log rolling. Log rolling is when there's like a series of discrete discrete legislation, unrelated legislation, and the people or the politicians come together and say, okay, if you vote for New York City legislation, then I'll vote for Philadelphia legislation. And then if you vote for New York legislation, I'll vote for Washington, D.C. legislation. And it keeps going through. The law keeps rolling, and then you get enough of basically a coalition. This leads to a coalition, and you can get to a majority vote.